Hey everybody, we're going to be coming into bluebird nesting season. I wanted to show you my setup for 2024. I know the big trend these days is to put a bird camera inside of your birdhouse so you can watch birds going in and out of it, watch them nesting, raise their babies, so on and so forth. I've done that in the past. This year I'm going to do something a little different. I just never liked the idea of the birds having a camera in there and you have so much footage that you have to go through. All I really want to see is what birds are checking out the birdhouse. So this year I'm going to be using the Wingscape Bird Cam. What's nice with this bird camera versus a traditional trail camera is it has a close focus wheel, so you can adjust the focus as close as you want to, and in my case I've got it pretty close to my house here. I'm also using this arm that is sold on the Wingscape website. I'm going to put links to all of these items in my video description in case you're interested in it. The bird camera runs on 4 AA batteries. Depending on how much footage I get, that might not be too bad, but I've got a solar panel that actually works with the camera. So I'm going to be running it free of charge other than the cost of the camera. So that's my setup for 2024. Let's see what the footage looks like.